If you're seeing the "Your PC does not meet security requirements" message in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4, along with a BIOS firmware update required warning, there are several things you can check before updating your BIOS. In this video, I'll walk you through the main fixes, including verifying TPM 2.0, Secure Boot, and your BIOS configuration. Let's start by checking TPM 2.0. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard, type tpm.msc, and press Enter. A TPM management window should appear. Check the information shown there and confirm that TPM 2.0 is available on your system. Next, we'll verify Secure Boot. Press Windows plus R once again, enter msinfo32, and press Enter. In the System Information window, locate Secure Boot State and make sure it shows on. Also find BIOS mode and confirm that it is set to UEFI. If TPM 2.0 is present but Secure Boot is turned off, you'll need to enable it through your computer's BIOS or UEFI settings. Restart your PC and use the appropriate key shown during startup to enter the firmware menu. The exact location of these settings varies between motherboard and computer manufacturers. Look for settings related to TPM, Secure Boot, or UEFI. Enable the necessary options, save the configuration, and restart your computer. After Windows loads, check the Modern Warfare 4 security warning again. If the BIOS firmware update required message is still appearing, the next step is to use the official Activision Secure Attestation Wizard. Open the official Activision support website and locate the Call of Duty Secure Attestation Wizard. Download the latest available version and extract the zip file after downloading it. Then right-click COD Secure Attestation Wizard.exe and choose Run as administrator. Select Yes if Windows asks for permission. Follow the wizard's instructions and allow it to perform the system check. If the tool specifically reports that your BIOS needs updating, you'll need to find the correct firmware for your exact computer.